is the kits that I decided to get. It is the Even Tone Essential Starter Kits for dark marks don't stand a chance. It comes with the full-size serum, retinol treatments with kojic acid, and of course my fave, the Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatments. And it comes with the exfoliating sponge. Let's get into it. So this is what the system looks like once you open the box. This is what the system looks like. It comes with the cleansing bar that we finna talk about. It comes with the Super Glow, and it comes with the retinol treatment. I'm getting ready to do what I do best. Put it on. Getting my shirt all dirty. So I'm using the Urbanskinrx Skin Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1. Just wiping off the rest, the extras. Alright. And I really like using my sponge to wipe everything off because I can see this is working a lot. So that's done. And then I'm going to take a towel and I'm going to go ahead and blot dry. And they say you need to leave it on for 3 minutes so that the product can work. So I'm just really I've had it on for 3 minutes, and now I'm taking that same sponge. I'm just kind of doing a dry rinse. This is what the sponge looks like that it comes with. You do not put the sponge back in the soap container. Even though it comes in a soap container, after you use the sponge for the first time, you no longer put the sponge back in the container. That's what the packaging says. You gotta read the packaging so you can use it the right way. Because if you don't, if y'all see, I got a lot of impurities. Alright y'all, so I use the retinol treatment, kojic acid treatment at nighttime. So I'm not gonna use it now because it's the morning and I just washed my face. So I'm gonna go right into just using the cleansing bar, and then I'm gonna follow that up with the Super Glow Serum, and that is it. That is all, honey. If you want to add a moisturizer, just stick to your shea butter or coconut oil. You don't have to go buy every product in this company's name if you don't want to. I know that coconut oil works for me and shea butter, so that's what I'm going to use. So this is what the Even Tone Super Glow Serum with the kojic acid and the ascorbic acid looks like. It comes with a top that locks, but then you can also take this top off and use the droplet system that it offers. You want to put that in there, squeeze, and let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So I'm gonna just drop a few drops on my face. And I'm really rubbing in circles because my goal is to make sure that this product is really doing its job. I just cleaned it with the cleansing bar. And now I just want to make sure that I got enough product on my face too. Alright y'all, so of course my shirt is a mess because I'm always been messy. But my skin is looking good following the Super Glow Serum. Now I just need to let this dry and then I'll go ahead and add me a coconut oil. Alright, so I got a child, half is dry, half is wet. I'm gonna just dry my face. that was the rinse, because that side was wet. And I'm just pat drying